Hi everyone, this is Sarah Weidman with the Stressless Student. I hope you're doing well. Hopefully you are on your Thanksgiving break or on your way to a Thanksgiving break. Hopefully that is enjoyable for you. Um, I also know that for some of you and for some of my clients, they are also spending some of this time making up missing work that they've had. So I wanted to give a few tips of how to make sure that you're getting that missing work done. Because it can be really easy to say, oh, I have all this time off. I am going to get all of this missing work done. But without a plan in place, it can be really hard to then get those things done. So here are just a few things I would say. Number one, first of all, talk to your family. Decide when you can, when they need you. So when do you need to be available to them? And then when can you set aside time to do work? And I would really set that time aside and have somebody hold you accountable to that so that your family knows, okay, I am not available at this time. I have to work during this time. And even sometimes letting the loved ones or those close to you around you know that, they can then hold you accountable and say things like, oh, I thought you weren't available right now. I thought you had to do work, right? So that's step number one. Step number two, break down what you have to do into manageable, actionable chunks. You are going to hear me say this over and over again, right? Because to say I'm going to write this paper or I'm going to do research, that to me is a recipe for distraction. So instead say, okay, for these 25 minutes, I am going to look for 3 articles on my school database, or I am going to Google and find 3 articles, whatever it is that you need to do. Or if you're writing a paper, maybe it's, I'm going to spend 25 minutes just brainstorming all of the ideas in my head, doing what I call a brain dump, right? Because we need a place to get started. So step one, make sure you find out when you need to be available. Set aside time. Step 2, to do your homework. Step 3, break up what you have to do in manageable and reasonable chunks, right? Maybe just decide that you have, an hour in you a day, whatever it is. Maybe you need more time than that, but that's all the bandwidth you have. Start small, start manageable, and break it down into chunks. In the meantime, have a wonderful and safe holiday. Oh yeah, and if you find these videos helpful, if you like them, please do subscribe, hit like, and let me know if there's anything that you would like to know more about in terms of study tips or executive functioning. Have a wonderful and safe holiday. See you next week. Take care.